Building a smart cooling system with ESP8266 and DHT11 sensor. The aim of this tutorial is to develop a smart cooling system using the ESP8266 Node MCU microcontroller, a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, a relay module, a 5V fan, and an LCD I2C display. Locate a heat source in proximity to the cooling system. When the temperature exceeds the threshold, for example, 31 degrees Celsius, the ESP8266 sends a signal to the relay module to activate the 5-volt fan. The fan starts running to cool down the environment. Due to the fan's cooling effect, the temperature begins to decline. As the temperature drops below the threshold, the ESP8266 deactivates the relay, which turns off the fan to save energy. Cooling system installation. The ESP8266 Node MCU serves as the main microcontroller that processes the temperature data from the DHT11 sensor and controls the relay and fan accordingly. DHT11 sensor measures the ambient temperature and humidity and ends the measured data to the ESP8266 for decision making. Connect the VCC plus pin of the DHT11 sensor to 3-volt pin of the ESP8266. Connect the data pin of the DHT11 to D0, GPIO16 of the ESP8266. Connect the GND pin of the DHT11 to GND pin of the ESP8266. The LCD I2C display, 16:2, displays the current temperature and fan status, ON, OFF. Connect the GND pin of the display to GND pin of the ESP8266. Connect the VCC pin of the display to VIN, 5-volt, pin of the ESP8266. Connect the SDA pin of the display to D2, GPIO4, pin of the ESP8266. Connect the SCL pin of the display to D1, GPIO5, pin of the ESP8266. The relay module acts as an electronic switch that allows the ESP8266 to control the operation of the 5-volt fan. Connect the GND pin of the relay to GND pin of the ESP8266. Connect the VCC plus pin of the relay to 3-volt pin of the ESP8266. Connect the S pin of the relay to D5, GPIO14, of the ESP8266. The 5-volt DC fan is used to cool down the environment when the temperature rises above the predefined limit. It is controlled automatically through the relay module. Connect the black wire from the fan to the GND pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the red plus wire from the fan to the NO pin of the relay. Connect the COM pin of the relay to VIN, 5-volt, of the ESP8266. The MicroPython program reads temperature and humidity values from the DHT11 sensor, displays them on the LCD screen, and automatically switches the fan on or off according to the set temperature limit. For more details, you can visit my website robotique.site.